Hey guys, it's Paityn J and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a peek inside this awesome box of school supplies that Yoobi sent me. For those of you who aren't familiar with Yoobi, pronounced Yoobi, they're an awesome company who for every item you buy from them, they donate a school supply to a school in need. Now, without further ado, let's look inside this box. Alright, we're gonna open up the box. Bubble wrap. The first thing we see in here is a super fun pegboard. Here. Inside of it we have this awesome pegboard and lots of letters. This is really fun because it has lots of vibrant colors. The letters are super easy to pull off of these things, so while this looks intimidating, it's really not that bad. This is really fun. You could stick it in your locker, on your desk, pretty much anywhere, and it would look really cute. Like Locker of the Year award right here. On to the next one. Next up we see this really awesome little kit of like every school supply you could ever think of needing. And it all comes in this cute little thing and all of them are mini. This cute little box says Make Magic, and when we open it up, they have tiny scissors. They have a tiny tape dispenser, complete with a refill of extra tiny tape, a mini pencil sharpener, a tiny stapler, oh no, that's not, a tiny hole puncher, some tiny staples for your tiny stapler, and a mini staple puller, because if you have staples and you need to pull one out, this does the job. This is really fun, and I have used Yoobi for years, so I was super happy when they reached out to me. Every single time I went back to school, this was on my list, because it's super handy and perfect for anything you could ever want. On to the next one. Up next, we have these super cute little erasers that are almost too cute to erase things with. They are all shaped like food and they come in this cute little container. We have a popsicle and an ice cream cone, another popsicle, only this one's pink this time, and a donut. On to the next item. We have this really awesome little stamp collection, and this is really cool because I've always loved stamps. They have lots of colors that you can make the prints with, and there are like lots of options, so lots of variety. Pretty much any stamp you could ever need in, whoa, here they come, in any situation. And then you have the, what are these called? Like ink tray thing? It's a little ink tray thing. This is what you put the stamps in so you can stamp things. Next up, we have this really cute mini notebook, perfect for all your note-taking needs. It's just got a bunch of little like lined pages you can take all your notes on. I personally love making lists, and this would be perfect for at school. You make a list of all the homework you have or anything you need to turn in, and then it's easy because it's compact and you can take it anywhere. The next one is this really cute flamingo keychain. And this keychain says, yes! It's really cute, it looks like little balloon letters. Let's take that out of there. These are all really cute and super high quality, and this would make any bag look super fancy. The next item we have here is, obviously we need something to write in our mini journal with. What better than mini gel pens? These are so cute, they come in any color under the rainbow that you can think of. And they're all super vibrant, super cute, and great for taking everywhere with you. We obviously have to have something to put our pens in, so what better than this super cute popsicle pencil case. It's absolutely adorable, everything is super high quality, and I cannot wait to use this for school. It's the end of the semester, so it's about time for some new school supplies anyway. And then we need to stay organized, so we have this really cute glitter planner, that's the word. This is an awesome little glitter planner, and it is super shiny. When you open it up, they have anything you could ever need to stay completely organized, and everything is just really cute. They've got this really cute little leaf print, and it's just really awesome. And that looks like everything. I hope you have an awesome Valentine's Day with your besties, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out, thanks so much for watching.